You don't always need to start a new channel, but I prefer it for faceless channels because it's a clean slate. It lets me train the algorithm from scratch and show it exactly who my videos are for. With older channels, the algorithm needs more time to figure you out. New channels, on the other hand, usually take 2 to 4 weeks before they start getting recommended. But that's not really a problem. Just keep creating. Your first videos might get no views, but after 5 or 10 uploads, you'll often start seeing 1,000 views or more. Hover your mouse on the top right where it says Sign In. Now, instead of entering an email to log in, simply click below where it says Create Account. Select the account to be for personal use. Now it's time to add our account name. I usually like to add the name of the YouTube channel here instead of my real name. Just go back to ChatGPT and copy the name you generated in case you forgot it. In my case, the name generated with ChatGPT that I liked was FameHex. I'm going to copy it and paste it back as my name. Now, the second name is optional, but I still like to add something, so what I usually like to do is separate the name into 2 words. Click Next and go ahead and enter your birth date and gender and then click Next again. Now Google will ask you if you want to use your own email to create the account. I personally like to always create new Gmails for every new faceless channel I create. For that, just click where it says you don't have an email. Google will come up with 2 email names for you, but I always like to create my own to make it look more professional. Select where it says create your own Gmail and then click Next. For the name of the email, I like to add the channel name, and since almost every channel name is already taken, I usually also add the word media or official at the end of the email. Then go ahead and create a password for the channel. Make sure it's a strong password. Google will ask you if you want to add a recovery email. If you have an extra email, you can add it as a recovery one. For the purpose of this course, I will not add a recovery email, so I will just skip this step. Then, Google will ask to add a phone number. If you don't have a phone number from the United States, do not add any number. This could impact who your videos are being sent when the channel is fresh, so just skip this step. Now, you will be asked if you agree with the terms of service and all the Google policies. Just click Next and accept on all of them. Choose the one-step process since it's faster. And now, just as I said, scroll down and accept and confirm all the agreements and policies. After that, in a few moments, our new YouTube channel will be ready. Congratulations! Once YouTube is done processing, this box with your channel name and profile picture will appear on the screen. Here you can make changes to the name. You can add or delete the space in between, and you can change the capitalization of your name. The handle is what people can tag you with, and also it will be the name in the channel link. This time I was lucky and the name FameHex was available, but usually most names are taken. If the handle is taken, what I like to do is to add the word media or official at the end of the name. If that name is also taken, I usually add space bars in between each name word. Overall, you have to try to create a clean looking handle. Now, once you find a name that is available, it's time to move on to the profile picture. Here we can add the image we generated using ChatGPT. All you have to do is click where it says edit picture, then select from computer and upload the image. Since we generated the image using ChatGPT and my prompt, the image is already proportional. So just go ahead and click done. We now have a profile picture and a name for our channel. On the bottom right, click Create to complete creating the channel. That's it. Our channel is now created. We now need to tweak a few settings and we're done. Hover your mouse to the top right where your channel profile picture is, click on it, and then click on YouTube Studio. Click Continue and then click X to remove the guide. Now on the bottom left, click on Settings and select Channel. Change the country of residence of your channel to the United States. It doesn't matter where you are from or where you currently live. For this type of faceless channel, always select the United States as the country of residence. This will help the algorithm send our videos to the viewers we are targeting. When it comes to the channel keywords, I usually leave this empty or add the channel name itself there. If you don't add keywords, the algorithm will have to determine itself what your channel is about, which in my opinion is much better. After that, go where it says Advanced Settings and at the Audience section, set the channel as not made for kids. If your channel is set as made for kids, your videos will only get recommended to YouTube Kids mostly. After that, go to Feature Eligibility and enable intermediate features by verifying your phone number. This will let you add custom thumbnails to your videos, and it will also let you upload videos that are longer than 15 minutes. To enable, just click on Verify Phone Number, add your phone number, and then choose if you want to receive the verification code in text or voice call. Then you have to enable advanced features. For that, I usually use the video verification, which means I just send a 15-second video of my face to YouTube. But you can also get verified in 2 months by simply uploading videos. But I strongly suggest you use the video verification because it's the fastest and easiest way to get your channel fully set up and verified. After you're done, just click Save. Now let's customize our channel. On the left of the screen, scroll down and select Customize, and then on the top, click on Home tab and enable Home tab. After enabling the Home tab, we have one more thing to do before our channel is ready. We must add a banner to our channel. To do that, we have to use a photo editing program. I'm going to be using Photoshop, but you can use any program you want. Just search for free alternatives on Google. Open the photo editing program of your choice and add the banner template I provided below the course video. This banner template comes with a pre-made design that helps you understand where to place text or logos. All you have to do from here is to add the profile picture you generated with ChatGPT in the safe area of the template. Change the size and position of it to your liking. Then add any text you want. In my case, I'll just add the channel name, but if you want, you can just ask people to subscribe in the banner. Then you can remove the banner template and simply change the color of the background to whatever color you want. Then just go ahead and save the image to your computer and add it as your YouTube banner image. On the top right, just click on Publish and you are ready. You can click on the profile picture in order to take a look at your channel. As you can see, the channel looks clean and ready to dominate YouTube. In the next section of the course, you will learn how to generate the script.